Hi everyone, I am Sowndarya. I am an MSc graduate, stream in applicable mathematics, and I completed my graduation in 2019. And on October 11, 2021, I joined QSpiders Chrompet. In that, I have learned SQL, Java, manual testing, and Selenium. And I attended the interview through QSpider. Company name is Next Sphere Technology. In that I got selected. My salary package is 3 lakh per annum, and my position is trainee test engineer, and my April 1, 2022 is the joining date. So to get a job, come regular to class and do the presentation and give regular mark and get a job. Thank you.